Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce hours of work with ClickUp step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ClickUp account. If you don't have one, create an account for free on their website. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Begin by creating a new workspace that fits your project's needs. Click on the plus new workspace button to initiate this process. Next, set up your team by inviting members who will collaborate with you. Use the People tab to add members by entering their email addresses. Define roles and permissions for each team member based on their responsibilities. Create a project by clicking on the plus new space button. Name the space and add a description for clarity. Once your space is set, break the project down into manageable tasks. Click on plus new task to add your first task, providing a clear title and details. Assign tasks to the appropriate team members to delegate effectively. Set due dates for each task to ensure timely completion. Incorporate priority levels to help your team focus on what's most important. Use the Custom Fields feature to add additional information relevant to your tasks. Organize tasks into lists to streamline workflow and maintain structure. Consider utilizing templates for tasks that are repetitive in nature for efficiency. Leverage ClickUp's Views feature to visualize your tasks in various formats. Switch between list, board, and calendar views to find what works best for you. Schedule regular check-ins using the calendar feature to monitor progress. Set up dependencies to clarify task order and dependencies within the project. Utilize comments and attachments within tasks to enhance communication. Automate routine processes using ClickUp's automation features for time saving. Establish recurring tasks for regular activities to reduce manual entries. Analyze project performance using ClickUp's reporting tools and dashboards. Adjust strategies based on data insights to improve efficiency over time. Regularly update your workspace to keep it organized and effective. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.